Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you one of the millions of people who knows you need a last will, but you keep putting it off because you dread the huge lawyer fees? Well, stop procrastinating. I have a solution that is fast, reliable, and seriously affordable. Introduce the solution today. We're diving into LawDepot, an amazing online tool that lets you create essential legal documents like wills and power of attorney without ever stepping foot inside a law office. We're talking about massive savings and total control over your estate plan. What is estate planning and why it matters? Estate planning isn't just for the rich. It's how you protect your assets and, more importantly, your family. A proper estate plan ensures your wishes are followed, who gets your property, who cares for your children, and who can make medical decisions for you if you can't. Without it, the state decides, and trust me, you don't want that. So, why LawDepot? First, it's user-friendly. You just answer a simple questionnaire tailored to your state's laws. They guide you through crucial decisions, asking things like, who is your executor? Who is your guardian? You don't need a law degree, just the answers to your family's details. And the best part? It's constantly updated to meet current legal requirements. Think about it, a single consultation with a lawyer can cost you hundreds of dollars just to start. LawDepot offers flexible plans or even a free trial for a fraction of that cost, letting you download and print your documents instantly. If you're ready to get this essential task done and save thousands, click the link in the description below to visit LawDepot and start your free document today. It's time to take control. I highly recommend creating at least 3 core documents: your last will and testament, a power of attorney, and a healthcare directive. Do your family a favor and get your affairs in order now. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments what legal document you're creating first.